Alright guys, it's me, Super EAS 24, and time for my weekly test. Yay! Alright, so let's get this show on the road.
At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, it was mostly sunny.
Should do it in about a minute or so.
The dew point 55, and the relative humidity 42%. The wind was northeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and steady. Elsewhere across Ohio, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 79 at Burke Lakefront, 78 at Lorain, 77 at Toledo, 77 at Mansfield, and 77 at Akron-Canton Airport. Youngstown reported 77.
Yeah.
Cincinnati reported 81. Dayton reported 82. Columbus reported 84. And Ashtabula reported 79. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. Temperatures were between 79 and 84 degrees. It was sunny at Detroit and Indianapolis. It was mostly sunny at Pittsburgh, Buffalo, and Chicago. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB.
Let's see if it'll be on time. Here it is.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.